I am Bindu Madhvi and I am wearing roll number 22EP1A122. Now I am going to explain about stacks. Stack is a linear data structure in which the operations like insertion and deletions are performed based on LIFO principle, which means last in first out. In stacks, removing and insertion of elements are performed on a single position, which is known as top. There are three operations which are performed on a stack. First one is push operation, which is used to insert an element into the stack. Pop operation, second one is pop, which is used to delete an element from the stack. Third one is peek operation, which is used to display an element in the stack. Diagrammatic representation of a stack. In stack, insertion and deletion operations are performed from the top position. Position stacks by using arrays and linked lists. By using arrays, we can only organize limited number of elements, and by using linked list, we can organize unlimited number of elements. Working process. Now I am going to explain about working procedure of a stack. Here I consider these 5 elements. Whenever we are going to perform a stack operation, first of all we need to initialize the top value with -1. So I am initializing top value with -1, and I am considering stack size equals to 4. Perform push operation, we need to first increment the top value with +1. So now top equals to top +1. Initially top value equals to -1 +1, that equals to 0. Now top becomes 0. Here at the top equals to 0, I am placing element number 1. Means push of 1. Again I am going to pop push element 6. So for that I need to increment the top value. Here top equals to 0, 0 plus 1, that equals to 1. So top is incremented to 1. Here I am going to insert 6 in. So push of 6. Again incrementing top value +1. Here top is 1, 1 plus 1 2. So top incremented to 2. Element 7. Push of 7. Again incrementing top value +1. Top is 2 plus 1 3. At third index I am going to insert element 10. Now top is 3. I have another element top, so that I am incrementing top value. Again top is 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4. There is no index 4 in a stack. At this condition we cannot insert 11th element into the stack, and there is no memory to allocate it. This condition is known as a stack overflow condition. After push operation, my stack condition is this. Now I am going to perform pop operation. So to perform pop operation, I need to first decrement the top value by 1. So top equals to top -1. Here top is at the third index, 3 minus 1, 2. Top decremented to 2, so top comes to here, and 10 element is pop of 10. Again I am going to pop 7 element, so again I am decrementing equals to top is set to 2 minus 1. So top becomes first image stack generally. Again I am performing pop operation. Top minus 1. Top is at first image 1 minus 1 0. Top becomes to 0. This element is 0. Top equals to top minus 1. Top is 0 minus 1 minus 1. Equals to minus 1. There are no elements to delete in a stack. This situation is known as a stack underfill. Pseudocodes for push and pop operations. If top w equals to n minus 1, then print stack overflow. Else this is push operation, pop operation, at top equals to minus 1, there are no elements to delete in the stack. That situation is known as stack underfill. Else means when there are elements to delete in the stack. In stack, at top position, element is deleted, and then we need to decrement the top value, and the deleted element is printed. This is push and pop operation.